In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google Sheets. This is a useful skill if you're collaborating with international colleagues or just want to work in your preferred language setting. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to have your Google Sheets open and ready to see the changes. You can do this by navigating to Google Sheets from your browser and opening an existing document or creating a new one. Once you have your document open, you'll have a better perspective on how the language settings will affect your workspace. Now let's head over to Google Drive. You can access Google Drive by typing drive.google.com into your browser's address bar or clicking on the Google Apps icon, the small square dots grid next to your profile image at the top right corner of your screen, and selecting Drive from there. This will open up your main Google Drive page where all your Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and other files are stored. Once you're in Google Drive, glance over to the upper right corner. Next to your profile picture, you'll see a gear icon. This is your Settings button. Go ahead and click on that. The Settings menu will give you various options to customize your Google Drive experience. From general settings to managing your offline files, this menu can be quite handy. However, today, our focus is on changing the language setting. Within this Settings menu, find and select the option labeled Settings again. You'll notice a section labeled General that includes a variety of settings you can adjust. But what we're interested in is the language section. If you scroll down just a little, you will see an option that says Change Language Settings. Click on that, and it will take you to a new page. Now you're in the language settings page. You'll see your current default language displayed on the screen. To change this language, simply click on the pencil icon next to it, which will open a list of languages to choose from. Scroll through the list or type your desired language in the search bar to find it quickly. Select the language you prefer and confirm your selection. You might see a notification or pop-up asking you to refresh your page for these changes to take effect. Simply refresh the Google Sheets tab, and you'll notice the interface now reflects your chosen language. This is especially useful if you're trying to work with functions and commands native to non-English languages, enhancing productivity and making navigation more intuitive. And there you have it, folks. With just a few clicks, you've adjusted your language settings in Google Sheets. This process ensures your work environment is more comfortable, which is key to maintaining workflow efficiency. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your experience with Google products. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.